Hello, it's a great day for math again. Well, in this question, it's about ratios and about knowing which one is the common unit to use. So we have a TV with 4:3 ratio, laptop 8:5 ratio. So now the image exactly fits the television screen. So on the TV, it looks like 4:3, okay? But for the laptop, it is 8:5. Now we have to be very clear actually at this point which two units are equivalent to each other. So if you look carefully, lengthwise, the laptop screen it doesn't fill up the whole thing, but it's actually the width that is equal to each other. So that will be the basis of our units. So I'm going to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. So this times 3 will be 15. This times 5 will be 15. And I'll do the same for the lengths of the TV and the laptop screen. So this one times 5 would be 20 units. For the laptop image, times 3 would be 24. So we want to find the fraction of the remaining area. So if we're going to use it by area, not covered, comparing by area, we're going to have 24 times 15, the laptop screen minus the TV screen, divided by the total area, 24 times 15. Okay, and that gives us 1/6. We've done.